Ladies and gentlemen, we are celebrating today the 126th Philippine Independence with a theme of Kalayaan, Kinabukasan, Kasaysayan. We acknowledge the presence of Police Lieutenant Colonel Dexter V. Idilio, Officer in Charge, Philippine National Police, Giwan, Honorable Josue Sison, Honorable Carlito Abrugar, Ma'am Maricon M. Corrado, District Supervisor, Giwan North. Sir Esteban Dais, District Supervisor, Giwan East. Our local government unit of Giwan, head of department heads and employees, and our uniformed personnel. And our guest of honor and keynote speaker, Honorable Mary Charmaine Gonzalez Villar. We will now begin the ceremonies. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand for the Philippine National Anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang mahilig, pero sa silanganan, alam ng puso, sa dinig mo'y buhay. Upang hinirang, kuya ka ng mag-ibig, sa manlulubig, di ka masisingil, sa nalalang tutok sa simoy at sa langit ang wagaw, kahilan ang tulagaw, isang pagkayang minamahal, ang isang lang matawad mo'y matubay na nagtitig, ang ituwin at harap na kailan ang kanilang tinitig, lumalang araw ng maraming pagsikap, mo'y langit sa likod, ang ligaya ng pagkay malamig, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
We would like to invite our military host, the Philippine National Police, to please form your line for the wreath-laying ceremony. Now, we will begin the wreath-laying ceremony to be led by Honorable Mary Charmaine Gonzalez Villar, to be accompanied by Police Lieutenant Colonel Dexter V. Idilio, Officer in Charge, Giwan PNP, to be witnessed by Honorable Josue Sison, Honorable Carlito Abrugar, Ma'am Maricon M. Garado, Giwan North District Supervisor, Sir Esteban Dais, Giwan East District Supervisor, and LGU Giwan Department Heads. Let us witness the wreath-laying ceremony led by Honorable Mary Charmaine Gonzalez Villar at the Rizal Monument. Once again, welcome to the commemorative program of the 126th Philippine Independence Day celebration. To give his welcome remarks, let us all welcome one of the members of the Sangguniang Bayan of our municipality of Guiuan, Honorable Carlito Abrugar.
Mo pa aga hatun nga tanan. First of all, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude nga nagkaurusa kita na nga aga. Una, Police Lieutenant Colonel Dexter Idilio, and aton PNP, and aton department heads, district supervisors, yan na from DepEd, my fellow Sangguniang Bayan members, Honorable Joey Season, Honorable Jonas Aboda, and of course, our very active Liga ng mga Barangay President, Honorable Mary Charmaine Villar, distinguished guests and visitors, ladies and gentlemen, hayong katanan, good morning. Magabagan seryoso katanan. Una, pwede natong tagan ng parakpakan nga yan na nakapag-celebrate kita natin na 126 Independence Day. Diri nak maghinala ba, gusto ko lang hayong tanan i-welcome ko kamo ngan sana maipadayon naton, maipadama naton ito naton bugos nga bungto, bugos nga mga giwananon ito spirit aton aton ginsilibrar yan na nga araw ng kalayaan. Ipadayon naton ang aton pagkaurusa, pagpurublig para naton kaupayan naton bungto. Damo nga salamat ngan maupay nga aga and welcome kamo. Kini nga aton celebration. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Carlito Abrugar. At this point, let us hear the keynote message of our guest of honor. Let us all welcome Honorable Mary Charmaine Gonzalez Villar.
Anakon paghatagan respeto, unahan aton eroyhan bongto hi Mayor Annalisa P. Gonzalez Juan, sugad man ang mga sangguniang bayan members nga haniya na, Honorable Carlito Abrugar, Honorable Joey Sison, and Honorable Jonas Abuda. Of course, ngadtohan aton Chief of Police, Police Lieutenant Dexter V. Idelio, mga department heads nga niya na, employees and staff of the local government unit of Giwan, mga igkasiko na nanarabaw ha gobyerno, maupay nga aga haaton nga tanan. My beloved fellow citizens of the Philippines, good morning haiyo nga tanan. Today, we gather to celebrate a momentous occasion in our nation's history, the 126th anniversary of the Philippine independence. This year's theme, Kalayaan, Kinabukasan, Kasaysayan, resonates deeply with our collective journey as people, our aspirations for tomorrow, and our respect for the sacrifices of those who came before us. On this significant day, we honor the bravery and determination of our ancestors who fought tirelessly for the freedom we enjoy today. Their sacrifices laid the foundation of our nation's sovereignty, and it is our duty to preserve and build upon this legacy. Kalayaan is a word that carries immense weight. It is the very essence of our national identity and the cornerstone of our democracy. Our forefathers envisioned a free Philippines where every citizen could pursue their dreams without fear of oppression or discrimination. As we commemorate this day, let us reflect on the true meaning of freedom and commit ourselves to safeguarding the rights and liberties that define us as a nation. The theme also calls us to envision our kinabukasan, our future. As we stand on the threshold of tomorrow, we must ask ourselves what kind of future we want to create for the next generation. Our actions today shape the Philippines of tomorrow. Let us strive to build a nation where every child has access to quality education, where healthcare is a right and not a privilege, where our economy thrives and where sustainable development is a priority. By working together, we can transform our aspirations into reality and create a brighter future for all. Lastly, we must not forget the lessons of our history, kasaysayan. Our past is a tapestry of triumphs and trials, and it is through understanding our history that we gain the wisdom to forge ahead. The stories of our heroes and the struggles of our people remind us of the resilience and strength inherent in our national character. As we move forward, let us draw inspiration from our history to overcome the challenges we face and to continue the journey towards progress and unity. In Giwan, we have always exemplified the spirit of community and resilience. Our town, with its rich cultural heritage and natural beauty, stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of our people. As we celebrate Independence Day, let us renew our commitment to our beloved municipality. Let us work hand in hand to preserve our environment, promote sustainable development, and enhance the quality of life for all Giwananons. In closing, I urge each one of you to take pride in our heritage, to cherish the freedom we hold dear, and to actively participate in shaping the future of our nation. Together, let us continue to honor the legacy of our forebears and strive for a future where every Filipino can live with dignity, peace, and prosperity. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang Giwan, mabuhay ang mga Giwananon. Happy Independence Day to all. Maupay nga haadon nga tanan.
Thank you very much to our guest of honor, Honorable Mary Charmaine Gonzalez Villar. This ends the commemorative program of the 126th Philippine Independence Day celebration. We thank you all for your attendance and participation. Once again, thank you and stay safe. Mabuhay! Bungtuta higugbata! Be truly here.
I love Iwan. I love Iwan. I love Iwan.